The Bornean flat-headed frog is an amphibian and is the only known frog species to lack lungs. This medium-sized frog has a very broad and flattened head, with a round snout and stocky body. Habitat. These aquatic frogs prefer clean, freshwater streams with moderate to strong currents. They have been found in habitats with clear water and high oxygen content.
They are likely an important part of the food web as predators of other creatures in aquatic habitats where they live in. They may thus be able to influence the makeup of aquatic communities. As the extent of their forest habitat is reducing, these frogs are thought to be endangered. Pollution is a main threat to the Bornean flat-headed frogs.
Conservation of the Bornean flat-headed frog is important because there is little information on these animals. To get a better understanding of the risk of extinction of this species, there needs to be a complete assessment and survey of the potential habitats of these frogs. The precise geographic range for these frogs should also be mapped. These methods could hopefully allow for more information on how these frogs reproduce, avoid predation, and eat.